I'm a grade 9 student at Adderley Junior High School, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a peanut butter jelly roll with JIF Peanut Butter. Here's my ingredients: 2 eggs with vanilla flavoring, sugar, sifted flour with salt, baking powder, baking soda, JIF Peanut Butter with water. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 2 eggs with vanilla flavoring in the bowl. Then I'm going to add the sugar. And then I'm going to get my electric mixer and blend. So now I'm going to add my peanut butter. I'm going to blend again. I'm going to add the sifted flour with the baking soda, baking powder, and salt slowly. So here's our jelly pan, which has already been buttered and with parchment paper. So we're just going to take the batter and put it on. Then we just going to spread it out. Then we're going to put it in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes on 350 degrees. Here's how to make the peanut butter filling. So the ingredients we are going to need is softened cream cheese, softened butter and vanilla flavoring, JIF peanut butter, powdered sugar. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to add our softened butter with vanilla flavoring to the bowl. Then we're going to add our softened cream cheese. Then we're going to mix together until smooth. So now we're going to add our JIF peanut butter. So now we're going to add our sifted powdered sugar. Now that the cake came out of the oven, I'm going to rest it on a towel like this, sprinkled with powdered sugar. Then I'm going to gently roll it. And then we're going to rest aside to cool. So now my cake has been cool and unrolled. Now I'm going to fill it with peanut butter filling, seed grape jelly filling, and some crushed peanut for a little bit of crunch. So now I'm going to gently roll it up. We're going to put it in the refrigerator to set. Okay. Let's cut to serve.